I saw a train that was sitting in the station and one that was coming through underneath the tunnel. And then I heard the crash.
What did it sound like?
Still on still. Still on still. I'm a locomotive engineer, so I know what that sounds like.
I was just on the second floor folding and putting away some clothes before I started my day. And there was this loud bang. It was strong enough that actually you could feel it through your feet. And I thought at first that somebody struck our house. It was that strong. So I wanted to see exactly what had happened. And then we come over here and we see that the trains are almost merged.